How's it going, everybody? This is a quick how-to tutorial how to restart your iPhone X and up, iPhone X, iPhone X Max. So let's get started. First, you want to locate your power button on the right hand side of the phone. Then you want to locate your volume up button on the left side of the phone, as shown on the screen here. Once you have located both of those, you want to press the volume up and your power button at the same time to get the power off screen, as seen here. Then you want to slide your power off, and then once you know your screen has been shut off completely, you will move on to the next step. So then you want to take your finger on the right side of the phone where the power button is, press and hold, and there it is. That's how you reset your phone or restart it, power off, power back on, and then you'll be able to get your functionality back, I guess you would say. Yeah, so that was a quick tutorial on how to turn your phone off and turn it back on. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks for watching.